Hi, I'm Lindsay and today I'm going to show you how to make your own self-rising flour using 3 simple ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. Some recipes call for self-rising flour. Now, I don't typically keep this on hand because it's really easy to make your own at home. So what you're going to need is, for every 1 cup of all-purpose flour, you add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. 1½ Then you're just going to give it a nice whisk. It's also a good idea if you want to sift it a few times. This is really going to aerate the flour and incorporate the ingredients nicely. And there you have 3 simple ingredients and your homemade self-rising flour. For more videos in my Baking 101 series, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or connect with me online for more fun baking tips, recipes, and ideas. Thanks for stopping by my Dollhouse Bake Shop. See you guys next time.